Yo, what's up guys, this is Hattie from HadiTech back with a brand new video. In today's video guys, we're going to be talking about one of the best websites that is actually hot right now, and a lot of people are just talking about it in the making money niche. This website is called Atlas Capture, and it actually promises that you can make up to $10 per hour. And this company also operates in the AI training side of things. So basically, you are looking at making money from your daily videos that you want to upload. If you want to upload your daily tasks that you do in your household and you want to make money on the side from those videos, then you can do that with Atlas. And there is another way of making money with Atlas, which is data annotation. So if we click on start earning, as you can see, we have these two options: record at home, which you can do using your iPhone. You need to have an iPhone 11 or greater, or you can make money with data annotation, which a lot of people are doing. And as you can see, it promises up to $10 per hour. So in this video, we'll show you how to set up your account and how to get started. But before we do that, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you will stay up to date with every video that we put out. Now, without further ado, let's just start with this video. The link will be in the description down below, okay? So once you click it, it will direct you to the main page. Again, like choose whatever that you want to do. Either you want to record at home and use those videos to actually earn money, or you can go the other route, which is data annotation. But I do prefer actually data annotation over record at home tasks, because that will allow you to make more money. So click on apply right here, and it will take you to the signing up page. So put in your email and finish signing up. Once you actually set up your account and get started with Atlas, this will be your dashboard. And just to actually be transparent with you, I just double checked in their server, and they actually mentioned that the sign up process is paused for now, and once they resume the recruitment process, they will reach out to you and you can create a brand new account. So the first thing that you need to do is complete that training. You will have the training hub right here, and you will get your certification right here, and a couple other things that you need to actually be aware of. So the first thing is to actually go over the learning hub, read their guidelines on how to annotate videos, because that's what you're mostly gonna do, is annotate videos and objects with accuracy. And you got the guidelines over here. You got some references over here on how to tackle a couple tasks, and you got also training videos. So we got video format media that actually help you work on such tasks with Atlas. So this is the majority of the tasks that you're gonna do while annotating with Atlas. So you got a couple chapters right here. You need to actually go over these and understand how you can start working with Atlas. And once you do this, once you grasp everything, you can go to the certification, and you need to actually take the standard label training, and you need to actually take this and complete it in order to get your certificates, and that way you can start working with Atlas. So you gotta take the labeling section right here. Once you pass that, you will get certified within the platform, okay? And once you do this, you can now start working on tasks. But before you can go and start working on tasks, they also require you to set up a payment method. So you have to set up your payment method of choice. So go to your payment method of choice, and as you can see, we have 26 cents, because we have not really worked on this platform since its creation. And yeah, you need to actually set up your payment method over here. So click on update payment method and add your payment method. They allow crypto, and they can also send your money via Wise Bank. So choose which one that you like, and just like that, you can set up your payment method. Now for the pay rate, it's actually 10 cents per minute. So that's the rate for beginners and newbies. Once you start, that's your rate, but once you actually get better, they will increase your rate up to, if I'm not really mistaken, to $1 or something like that. So that's really the catch with Atlas. So if you want to work on this, keep in mind that you are getting paid a small amount at first. So these are just the key points that I needed to mention. Once you set up everything perfectly, you can click on browse tasks, and in here you can actually take some of those tasks and you can reserve them and start working on those as well. And as you can see, sadly we don't have any episodes that we can show you how to work on them, but usually there are a couple example right here. And my assumption is that all the work is actually been taken. So in order to keep up with the news and the batches and the work itself, they have a server on Discord that you can go over and access. It's Atlas Table AI community. So once you create your account on Atlas website, they will give you a way to link your Discord, okay? And once you link it, you'll have access to channels like Atlas announcements, where they will announce anything, basically from payment to work to stuff like that. Everything will be just declared here, and you will have a priority access, of course, for these type of announcements because you are part of the community itself. They also have a ticketing system. If you want to raise a ticket regarding like a shoe payment, those type of stuff, you can do this via the Discord itself. Also, they have the other announcement channel, which you can also keep up. Usually all the work related stuff will be posted over here, guys. And yeah, you can claim those tasks once they appear on Atlas website. Now, we also mentioned that there is another method of actually earning money with Atlas, which is recording at home or video of day-to-day tasks. And in order to actually set up that, all you need to do is just click on get started. And I do believe there's no waitlist for this one. You can just get ready straight away and just start making money with this type of job. So all you need to do, click on get started, and they will redirect you to a whole guide on how to actually download the app on iPhone. This is only for iPhone users, okay? So Android users are not included in this project, if I'm not mistaken. You can go over these, okay, and download the app, and just like that, you can start making money. You just record videos, upload them within the platform itself. They will be reviewed, of course, and once they pass the review, you will get paid for your videos. Alrighty guys, we have reached the end of our video. This was just a quick tutorial on how to actually set up your account and get started with Atlas Capture. If you have any questions regarding this platform or any other platform that we have covered on this channel, then please drop it in the comment section down below, and I will definitely reply to you. And yeah, this was Hadi. Take care of yourselves, guys. See you in the next one, and peace.